Hey everyone, Trent from Boxo USA. Right here we have our boat roll paired with the dry bag. So stay tuned as we get into it. As we open up this roll, we're going to see a variety of things stand out right away. On the left-hand side, there's going to be these 3 different pouches that zip up. One's going to have sockets with electrical tape, another's going to have metric and standard combination wrenches, and then last is going to be an open pouch that could have any other tools. We'll dive into these contents a little bit later, but first, let's take a look at this organized tool section. As we go in and we open up these flaps, I'm going to tuck them down just so that way we can see. Quickly, you'll see that everything has its own space. We've custom stitched depending on what the tool is and then also labeled it so that way everything has a home. It's quick to identify when asking someone to hand you the tool, and then also we know where to put it back at the end of the day. So as we take a look at all the contents, we're going to have various pliers from long needle nose pliers all the way through our groove joints. We have a chrome adjustable wrench, which is super handy and helpful, and then we have a knife, various hex keys, metric and standard, Phillips and slotted screwdrivers, and then in the spirit of some electrical, we have a circuit tester, some diagonal cutting pliers, we have a wire strip and crimper, as well as a 3/8 90 tooth ratchet, an extension, and then our 1/2 inch breaker bar. Now, as we get into this pouch right here, this is going to have some sockets that maybe, look a little bit larger. For the standard sockets, it's going to range all the way from 1/4 to 7/8, and then we're going to have some additional sizes that are more specialized. A 15/16, an 1 1/16, an 1 1/4, and then 1 7/16. These right here are especially brought into this kit for the prop nut. So whether you're running an 1 7/16 on an M8 Mercury drive, or you're all the way down in a 15/16 for a standard prop net on a Bravo or whatever application you have, we do have those in here to cover it. Now on the metric side, this is going to go as small as an 8mm all the way up to right here, which is a 21, with swivels, an extension, and spark plug sockets. Those are going to be very handy. We do have some electrical tape just for any miscellaneous needs. And then as we get in over here, you'll see that we have, again, metric and standard combination wrenches to match those sockets, and they're all going to be on these organizers. So again, everything's got a place for it to be able to go down. For the standard sizes, it's going to go from 1/4 all the way up to 7/8. And then for our metric sizes, it's going to go all the way from 6mm up to 21. Now, while these are all the contents that are in the kit, as I mentioned before, we do have an open pouch. If there's anything that you'd like to add into this kit as far as specialty items like maybe additional drain plugs, fuses, whatever it may be, we do have room for that right here. And at the end of the day, this kit's super nice because as everything gets all sealed up and set, we're able to go ahead and roll this up. And something that I always like to call out, especially for the boats, is we did not go and put metal clamps on here. We have it, so there's these D-rings that we run our straps through. It gets down tight, and that helps just protect gel coat, interior, anything that you just want to keep the sharp objects off of. So once the kit's all done and secured, we have our dry bag to be able to open it up. This is going to be nice for keeping the water out and away from our tools. And then as we talk about our tools as well, since we are a tool and toolbox manufacturer, Boxo USA does have a lifetime warranty on all of our products. So if anything ever gets damaged or starts being defective, all you have to do to get a replacement is take a picture, email it to us, warranty@boxousa.com, and then we'll go ahead and send you out a replacement. So feel free to go online to the website, boxousa.com, and check it out.